Today we're about to calculate 10 students' averages and their weighted averages. Okay, starting off, we're going to calculate Lauren's average. To do that, you're going to click on Lauren's name, her first quiz 1, click on that, and you drag it all the way over to quiz 4. You click on Auto Sum, Average. That gives you the first average. To calculate the rest of the class, all you have to do is click at the bottom corner of the box where the 80 is, her average, drag it all the way down to student 5. Now you have all 10 students as averages. Since we've done that, we can answer a few questions. What is students 1 average? According to this, students 1 average is 88.75. So we type in 88.7.5. Which student has the highest average? Now we look at all the formula, all the information that we have. And according to this, Sydney and student 1 have the highest average. So we type that in. Okay. Now that we're through with that, we can go ahead and calculate. We can do number 3. Which student scored the lowest on quiz 3? We'll go into quiz 3 and look and see who has the lowest grade. According to this, student 2 has the lowest grade. Now, it says, number 4 says, if quiz 1 is worth 10%, quiz 2 is worth 10%, quiz 3 is worth 40%, and quiz 4 is worth 40%, what is Sydney's final weighted average? Now we have to go back in and calculate the final average. We'll start off with Lauren to calculate her weighted average. So, to calculate weighted average, you simply enter equal sign, then you're going to do B2 times 10% plus C2 times 10% plus D2 times 40% plus E2 times 40%. Then you simply press enter. Now we got her average, weighted average. To calculate everybody's weighted average, you simply click the same box again at the black little dot, drag it all the way down, and now we have everybody's weighted average. Okay, now the question was if quiz 1 was worth 10%, quiz 2 was worth 10%, quiz 3 was worth 40%, and quiz 4 was worth 40%, what was Sydney's final weighted average? Her weighted average would be at 88, so we type that in. Okay, okay. Now number 5 says if quiz 1 was worth 10%, quiz 2 was worth 10%, quiz 3 was worth 40%, and quiz 4 was worth 40%. Which two students had the highest final weighted average? We look at our information, and according to this, the two highest grades that we will have would be Jennifer and student 5. So we type in their names. Okay. Now, in the question number 6, it says, on which quiz did the students perform best? To figure that out, we're going to have to calculate the averages for quiz 1 through 4. To do that, we'll start with quiz 1. We'll click on it, highlight them all students' grades. We're going to do auto sum, average. Now we have the average at the bottom. So to calculate everybody, we just drag it all the way over. Now we have everybody's, all the weighted averages. Okay, now we look at the data and then we can tell on which quiz did they perform best. According to this, quiz 3 would be the quiz they got the best on because it's an 85. So we type that in. Okay. Now, number 7. If the quiz 1 is worth 10%, quiz 2 is worth 10%, quiz 3 is worth 40%, and quiz 4 was worth 40%, what is the class's final weighted average? To calculate that, well, we already did when we did it all. So, according to this, their average is at 84.39. Alright, now we're also going to insert a column chart to see each student's weighted average. So to do that, all we're going to do is highlight all the information that we want to have, click insert. We'll do a column chart. I'll click on the 2D column, the first one. Okay, now there we go. Alright, and now we're through.